Stars are shiny objects we see in the sky at night. They look like tiny dots, but are actually huge balls of gas, much bigger than planets like Earth. Stars give off light and heat, and they're far away from us, which is why they appear small. We see stars because they're like big, glowing balls of fire in space. They're really hot, much hotter than anything on Earth. Some stars are so hot that they look blue, while others are cooler and look red. Did you know that our sun is a star too? It's the closest star to Earth, and it's what gives us light and warmth during the day. Without the sun, life on Earth wouldn't be possible. People have been looking at stars for thousands of years. They used to think stars were just little holes in the sky where light shone through. But now we know that stars are like our sun, just much farther away. Scientists study stars to learn more about how they work and how they're born and die. They use special telescopes to see stars that are very far away. In stories and movies, stars are often seen as symbols of hope, dreams, and guidance. People sometimes make wishes on shooting stars, believing that their wishes will come true. So next time you look up at the night sky and see those twinkling stars, remember that they're not just pretty lights. They're massive balls of gas that millions of miles away, making our universe a beautiful and fascinating place.